Do you also want to swap faces like this? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back again. In today's video, I've got something fascinating and super and interesting AI tutorial for you. Sometimes we all need a little fun and creativity in our lives. And Vidnoz AI makes it super easy, whether you want to create hilarious memes or surprise your friends with funny videos. This app has got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store or Play Store on your phone and download Vidnoz Photo Video AI Swap. Links provided in description. Once you download it, open the app. Here in Face Swap, there are two options. You can do Video Face Swap and Photo Face Swap. It's very easy to use with user-friendly interface. And there is a new option for multi-face swap for both photo and video. I will talk about it later. Alright, now let's first try with Photo Swap. Here, click on Free Upload Photo. Okay, now here you can see two options. In the first one, you need to upload the original photo of face you want. Alright, select photo from your gallery. Then upload the target photo of the face you want to use for swapping. Here, select photo. Here you can also adjust or crop image for better recognition. Edit finish. Alright now, once both images are uploaded, simply click on Face Swap now. It starts to generate. It will take a few very seconds. Alright, the image is ready. You can save the image. Look at the image, guys. It looks perfect. The Homelander is now Speedlander. Like if you agree. Okay, now let's try with another image. And here we go. This one also looks absolutely amazing. The best part is that this tool works so well, and it doesn't even ruin the quality of the image. Alright, so let's try Video Face Swap. Click on Upload Video, and now in the same way, first upload your original video from gallery. So here we are going to use this video for face swapping. This is the original video. Upload the photo of the face you want to use for swapping. Same again with speed. Alright, once both of them are uploaded, start Face Swap. It takes a bit more time in seconds to generate. Okay guys, it's ready and let me show you. What? Guys, this is actually... Look at it guys, it's perfectly rendered. Let me try with another one. Simply I will trim some part of the video. Select Face Swap. And one more interesting feature, you can even do multiple face swapping. Click on Photo and Video. Here, upload photo or video to change face. Alright, okay, let's try with this one. This app comes with some pre-videos. Let me show you the original clip.
I'm the money.
Every penny of it.
Here you can select multiple faces this time. Select faces which you want to change. Okay, I will go with this one. All set, now swap face. Okay, alright, it's ready. And let me show you.
I'm the money.
Every penny of it.
And guys, this is crazy. It perfectly swaps the original faces. In the same way, you can create this with multiple face swapping for photos and videos. And all files will be saved in this gallery section. Alright now, if you want to do a lot more, you need to get more credits. Starting from $14.99, you will get 150 credits. So check out these plans too. So that's it all for today's video guys, hope you liked. Also make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.